5:30 in the morning. The first time that Jay will have experienced 30% chance of hail since we've started working together here. So let's hope this is a good day for hail damage. No tornadoes. All right, we're up here in Greenville, and with Marvin, got Jay here. We're getting ready to work on a few cars, and look what we got here. I mean, beautiful Nova. All right, check this Pro Street car out. Beautiful paint. Look at that shine. Beautiful tinted windows on this thing. Beautiful car. Check out the interior here. It's got the
Cody digital dash.
Yep, digital dash in it.
Air conditioning.
Yep, air conditioning. Good looking seats in it. What we got under the hood?
It's not much.
Yeah, it's not much, all right. What? Wow. It's a little bit shiny. Few horsepower. I rode in this thing before. It will fly. You look down the side of that thing, it's straight. Beautiful, beautiful car. Nice wheels. And we've got all kind of cars to work on today. So we got this one here. We're gonna have to get this fender out. You can see it's got a big old kink in it here too. We're gonna get it out, buff these scratches off of it. And over here we're gonna get this one up to where won't have to do a whole lot of Bondo on it. And another one here. So we're gonna be busy today. Is that right, Mark?
That's right.
So here you can see where they've scraped their garage door opening and pushed in where the front bumper bolts and kinked this spot out right here behind the wheel pretty bad. And that makes it for an aggravating repair because it kinks the inner and the outer part of the fender, but we're going to make it happen. Alright, Jay's got the fender liner out, and this will give us access up in here to the back side. So, be able to get in here. Looks like it's open good. So, got the transfer paint off of it. It's hard to see. This has got a crown all the way down through here. So we're going to have to get that out. And this big short kink right here. It's got it kinked out. Jay's going to take this hood liner off and then get these. Yes, they show up really good right there. He's going to get these out of this hood here. Alright, and I got some tools laid out here. Plan on using. I've got the VIP slide hammer. Going to be the first time I've used this. Got the double ends. I got different kind of glues on both ends. Also got this one with a different end, and another one here with a different cold glue end. Probably going to use the paddle. And we got this here for the edge of the fender. probably be using that here in a little bit. But the first thing I'm going to be using is this right here. And it gets in there, got a good little tip on it. Alright, we're getting this shape back to the fender around the fender well here. You see where that big kink was. Got it out. And most of this around this headlight also. So it's coming out good. Going a little quicker than I expected, so that's a good thing. And we're still just standing around here hoping for hail. Sun shines out, could be building up some good weather. So here we're blending down a couple of the little lines that the garage door had put in it, and some little high spots and stuff where I had to push a little hard to get the dent to come up, and then the blending hammer, we're using it to run the metal into the low spots, and then buffing this a little bit better so we can get it to shine up to where we can see just a little bit better and get this thing finished up. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's greatly appreciated. Well, it's coming out looking really nice. Happy with this, came out pretty quick. Just a little bit more, but really close. Alright, there we go. We got it finished. Got this part out behind the wheel. Big old kink. You can see it coming out looking really good. And we'll move the light up here where you can see all this front part. Came out looking nice. Happy with the repair on it. So, finished up. We're fixing to remove this paint here in a minute. Do a little bit of touch up on this bumper cover here for them, and it'll be ready to go. Another dent here on a Lexus. So we're going to take it out, and we also got one right back here. Got to get some transfer off of it too, but it's got this lip bent in a little bit right there. Get it out. So on this here, I'm using a soft tip tool, and it's also this thing has like tremendous power. So you got to go kind of slow and make sure you do the proper pushes where you're pushing at. So you got to just try to hit the right spot exactly. But this thing has all kind of power and moves a lot of the dent quickly. Even though this was pretty sharp, it brings it up nice and clean. And then you just have to do a little bit of blending whenever it's done, and then go over with a sharp tip tool. But this definitely is a whole lot quicker than poking it all up with just something that's sharper. Yeah, this repair came out really clean looking and came out pretty quick, even though it was through the body line. I was very happy with this repair when it was finished. And also on the rear quarter, it was a little bit tricky because it's double paneled and glued to the inner structure, but it came out pretty good also. And just a little bit of touch up here, and it's going to be ready to go. Came out looking nice. So we're going to use a little bit of cold glue here, moves a whole lot of the panel, and tapping on it, releasing the pressure. And then I'm going to take the heat gun here in just a second, heat it up. But here you'll see I heated up a little bit too much and the glue actually stuck to the car, came off the tab. Now we did a little push to Bondo here. So, and it came out just a little bitty skim. Saved me to put a bunch of studs on it and stuff. And now we'll pull this area up for a little bit. You see right here. So we got this swelled out with some rust. We'll try to get that out some too. Guess what, Jay?
No hail.
No hail. Guess what else? I think that the weatherman forgot that April Fool's was yesterday. I gotta say, that's not nice.
April Fools.
April Fool's. Cult dent tamers for all your door dings, large dents, hail damage in the East Tennessee area.